Hi guys, it's Sophie from Michael Vicar, and it's Sophie Bear. House behind me. Pretty cool house. Anyways, yeah, it's me, Sophie from Michael Vicar and Sophie Vicar. Or Sophie, it's Sophie Bear. There we go.
Sit down, bud. No, it's dangerous.
Oh my god. Okay. So today I'm going to show you what it's like when we do a barbecue. Neighbors are driving bikes. Yeah, so I'm gonna tell you what we do for barbecues. Yeah. So mostly me and my brother get dressed, put on our shoes, and
cars come through here, Bubba. It's not
my dad's like, oh, let's do a barbecue. So
cars come through here.
we're like, oh, I want to go sit in the back of Dad's truck. So we sit in the back of my dad's truck, which is right there, and we are cooking up some kebabs. So where are the kebabs? Kebabs right there.
Come sit over here with Mommy.
They are delicious. There they are. Yeah, so that's my mom sits down, relax, and yeah, that's mostly what we do for a barbecue. All the time. All the time.
There's a car coming. There's a car coming. Look.
And my neighbor is pulling in. So it's a little awkward. So yeah.
Look, there's a car that just came through here. And you're just running around. I don't want you running around.
So yeah. That's mostly what we do. In the truck, me and my brother just sit around and do
cars are coming through here. I don't want you
ride our bikes sometimes.
Listen.
And we're gonna go on a bike ride soon. And I'll take you guys along.
Okay, go sit in your chair.
So yeah. You haven't got me yet. You haven't got me yet, so I'm safe. I'm still safe.
You're going inside because you can't listen.
Sorry, my brother is going inside because he's not listening to my mom. So, yeah, Alexander, bring this.
You're going to go inside and you have this on.
You bring this air thing for tight, basketballs or something. I was like, what is that? And he's like, oh, it's to make air. And I'm like, we already have air from trees. So anyways, that is all for today, you guys. Short video, I'm sorry, but yeah, that's it. So see you guys later. Bye.